almost all my panelists tonight are leaders of the Muslim community. I have with me in the studio Shariq Adib Ansari. He is National Working President of the All India Pasmanda Muslim Mahaz. Welcome, Shariq.
Thank you.
Shalini Ali is National Convener of the Muslim Rashtriya Manch. Atikur Rahman is an Islamic scholar. Shahid Ali is President of the United Muslim Front. Haji Meherdeen Rangres is All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin official spokesperson. I'm happy that I have 5 prominent members of the Muslim community. But it is actually not about Hindu-Muslim, Shariq. It is about what is going on every Friday. I just came from Kolkata, and you know, we have a channel there, Republic Bangla, and I saw the tapes, and in the tapes, the women are saying, the Hindu women are saying that these people are going to come and say, every Friday we will come.
Very unfortunate.
Every Friday we will come, every Friday we will burn your homes, every Friday we will attack you. There's a sense of prayer. Why Friday prayers? The Jummah namaz become about almost necessarily a headline of mob violence. Ye ho kya raha hai? Shariq Saab, I want you to start the debate tonight.
See, Mr. Goswami, the problem is, it's a law and order problem happening in everywhere, be it Bengal, be it UP, be it Uttarakhand, be it Rajasthan, be it Madhya Pradesh, everywhere in the country. The issue is this, that the Muslim killers, they just instigate the violence. Because Friday is a very important day. It's a weekly prayer. We are all Muslims. I'm also a Muslim. I also pray. I regularly pray on Friday prayers. The important thing is this is happening due to the political milestone, the political mileage they want to gain on the Fridays, because you got nothing to do.
Who wants to gain the political mileage on Friday?
The All India Muslim Personal Law Board, the Friday
they say
prayer,
we are a Muslim personal law board. Unko politics se kya lena dena?
There's a political body. Every Muslim go to mosque on Friday. There's a full mosque. To gain the full mosque violence, they instigate the violence and all.
How do they instigate violence?
By saying that Deen khatre mein, Islam khatre mein,
Deen khatre mein hai.
This is the problem. This is बस दीन कभी खतरे में नहीं होता. दीन तो अल्लाह का है.
तो वो क्या कहते हैं? दीन खतरे में है?
दीन खतरे में है, वफ खतरे में, कोई वफ खतरे में नहीं है. I was in part of JPC. I presented at JPC.
नहीं, ये आप कह रहे हैं ये मुस्लिम क्लेरिक्स भड़काते हैं.
Of course they do.
और जब क्राउड वहाँ पे होती है, भड़क क्यों जाती है?
Because
एक मिनट, आतिकुर रहमान, मुझे समझने दीजिए एक पक्ष को. Let me listen to one side and then I will come to you. You listen, you learn to listen to the. आज मैं बहुत स्लो डिबेट करूंगा. मैं सबकी बात सुनूंगा आज. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, ये कह रहे हैं कि वहाँ पे देखिए, when there is a crowd, viewers.
Emotional. Religion is very emotional issue.
Religion is an
very emotional issue.
Yes.
And Muslims, unfortunately, are very emotional.
Yeah.
They don't think. They just follow their leaders. Who are the leaders? Who are giving sermons.
But the clerics who are giving sermons are not saying go and burn someone's house.
That is very unfortunate.
Go and throw stones, patharbazi kariye, to ye kyun hoti hai?
See, stone pelting or mob burning is a mob mentality. When someone in the mob is to throw one stone, then the whole mob start throwing stones and all. Then the whole crowd go on rampage and burning of shop, burning of vehicles. This is very unfortunate. Protests are legitimate point of government. Now what happens is, just